The pricing calculator is suitable for estimating the cost of Azure resources. But what if you want to calculate the total ownership cost of running specific workloads in Azure? Example, let's say you have a well-established infrastructure on your premise. You want to calculate how much it will cost for this infrastructure to be moved to Azure and run for, say, 5 years. Azure provides another excellent tool, namely the Total Cost of Ownership Calculator, or shortly TCO calculator. The Total Cost of Ownership Calculator is a unique tool that helps you to compare the cost of on-premises infrastructure with Azure cloud infrastructure. This calculator offers a wide range of features that accurately compares your current infrastructure configuration with the Azure environment. This includes servers, databases, storage, and outbound network traffic. Moreover, the calculator considers various factors such as power and IT labor cost to comprehensively estimate the cost difference between the current data center and the Azure infrastructure. You can use this calculator to decide which infrastructure best suits your needs. By providing detailed and comprehensive data on the cost implications of both options, you can evaluate and weigh the pros and cons of each option and make an informed decision. This can help you save significant time, money, resources, which can be redirected towards other critical business operations. Meanwhile, just like the pricing calculator, you can save the calculations and the report it generates. For this, you need to be signed in to your account.